Do you know the expression, "I'm not one to criticize, but..." And then you know the criticizing is about to begin. Criticizing isn't all a bad thing, especially if the criticism comes with some constructive suggestions. In fact, every invention ever developed and every improvement on each invention that's ever been developed has come about because someone criticized the old model and then came up with a new model. Criticism is the mother of invention and is not to be taken as just a negative. Criticism can point the way and open the doors to many, many improvements. My grand obsession was to bring health and a healthy message to as many people as possible. And through the course of my career, I've helped thousands of people regain their health and thousands of athletes reach levels of performance even they didn't think was possible. I've done the same for you by spending more than a decade creating and rewriting Perpetual Health until I finally got it the way I wanted. I bring you Perpetual Health 365 because on these pages you can get the benefits that you want from a book on health. If you want to learn how to do fitness to the max, healthy thinking and healthy living for the best possible results, how to eat well, how to interact with others, how to get a sane and healthy view on weight management and personal interactions, and even your own self-talk. Perpetual Health 365 is the book that will change your life for the better.